Think Topaz Labs is the only option? Try Microsoft Designer, a free, fast photo upscaler. Open designer.microsoft.com, click Create, then upload your low-res image. Select the image, choose Enhance, then upscale to 2x or 4x. Use the Compare toggle to preview improvements side by side instantly. Tip: press Ctrl-Shift-U to toggle the upscale preview faster. Fine-tune with remove noise and sharpen sliders, keeping details natural. Export a high-res PNG or JPEG and set quality to maximum for best results. Now see the before on the left and after on the right, crisp and clear. Zoom to 100% to inspect edges, texture and facial details closely. Compare file sizes and quality. Designer often matches or beats paid upscalers. In seconds you get pro-grade upscales for free, no install, no fees. Try Microsoft Designer today, link below. Upscale your photos for free now.